In today's video, we will show you how to operate your Phoenix Air. Turn on the oven by flipping this switch. Keep the purifier off for now. Purifier is activated using this switch. Adjust the temperature to 284 degrees Fahrenheit. Press the set button to enter adjustment mode. Use the down and up arrows to enter the desired setting. And press the set button again to exit adjustment mode. The display shows the current oven temperature. It takes a few minutes to reach the set temperature. Now we will adjust the time. Press the set button to enter adjustment mode, and use the down and up buttons to enter the desired setting. And press the set button again to exit adjustment mode. Now turn the air purifier on using this button. This only needs to be on when curing film. Place your powdered film in the center of the oven with the powdered side facing up. Press this button to start the timer. When the alarm goes off, you can turn off your purifier and press the button again to turn off the alarm and take your finished image out. Always inspect the film to ensure that it is cured properly. That is it for today's video. Thanks for watching.